Hi, and welcome to my presentation on the Softball Connection. So the Softball Connection is a mobile app that can be utilized in all devices. This is an app that will focus on the sport of softball. There will be pages for nutrition, tips, hints, videos, drills, and even a part that will be a real communications tool. So how is this going to be accomplished? First, I need to come up with a mobile application software program that I feel comfortable using. This program not only has to be easy to use, but it has to have the layout designs and create everything that I envision for this application. Finally, that app has to be free to use. If this software is not free, I won't be able to use it because there's no budget for me to create this mobile application. Next, I have to create a test group for this application. I decided to go with the Sheldon High School softball team as that was the team that I played for when I was in high school. I still talked to the coach, and when I brought this up to her, she thought this was a great idea. She even gave me some feedback through my project plan and gave me a hard deadline for when she would like to start using it. The first part of my timeline for my application is to gather the resources. This began in the middle of September when the project planning class began, and this will go to the beginning of January. Some key tasks for the Gather Resource section was to research and make a list of all contacts that I need to reach out to for this application. The list includes athletic directors, coaches, nutritionists, softball players, and even the Professional Softball Association. I reached out to the Professional Softball Association because I found how-to videos online that I would like to utilize for this app. As there is no time currently to create my own videos, I think it would be good to use professional videos for this application. Next, I had to research software programs to create the application. There are so many out there, so this is very time consuming to make sure that I find the software program that will meet my needs and that I will have the cooperation from all the stakeholders for this application. The next part of the phase is the design application phase. The design phase began 2 weeks ago when I started to rifle through the software application programs. The design application phase will then go to the end of February, beginning of March. Some key tasks for the design application phase is to select a software program. This is a tedious task as there's so many different programs out there to use and so many different tweaks with each. Once I figure out what program I want to use, I will then have to create the pages within this application. The pages will include facts, nutrition, homepage, a communications page, and a YouTube video page. Then it will have to create the communications tool. This will be a real-time tool for the coaches to talk to the players and the players to talk to the players. It will be a way for the entire team to speak to each other and ask questions, get answers, and there will even be a push notification section for the coach to send out reminders to the team. The next phase is the test group phase. This will begin mid-March, right after tryouts, and will go to the end of April, beginning of May. So the key task for the test group phase is to have a reliable group. This group I had to trust that would use the application at every practice, and they would get the most out of it, so when I got my feedback, it would be accurate feedback. I also have to have a meeting beforehand just to show them all the aspects of the app. I have to make sure they have a good understanding of what they can do with this application. Finally, I have to give them ample time to use this application so I can get good feedback. The final phase is to analyze the test group feedback. This will happen at the beginning of May, and this will go to mid-August. The key tasks for this phase is I will have a final meeting where I will gather information from the coaches and players and get any information about what needs to be changed, what they liked, and what they really didn't like about this application. Then I will go back, update it, and get ready for the next test group to take hold in the summer. So the final product will be an all-in-one stop shop for softball. There will be nutrition, there will be tips, there will be a drill page, a page on how-tos, and even a real-time communications tool for the team to speak with each other. This first starts out with one coach and one team. My future goal is for this to spread out and hit all the schools in the area. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my capstone project, and I'm excited to start working on this, and I hope you learned something new today about my capstone. Thank you.